Coming to you again from my house for another math lesson. We're going to start today with a couple of math jokes that some of you guys submitted from the last math video. So joke number one is coming to us from John McKenzie. And Emmy, can you hold that up? Here's joke number one. A doctor says, "Nurse, I have so many patients. Who do I work on first?" Is that how, Spencer? The nurse says, "Simple. Follow the order of operations." Operations. Doctors do operations. Thanks, John. Joke number one. I like it. Joke number two comes at us from Jack McAllister. Let me hold that one. Why do plants hate math? Spencer, hold that up. Here's the answer. It gives them square roots. Roots. Plants have roots, square roots. There we go. Thank you, John. Jack McAllister. Joke number two. Thanks, guys. Keep the good jokes coming. Our new unit is going to be on triangles. And just so you guys know, this is about triangles. The word tri, as many of you know, means three. And the word angle, ironically, means angle. So tri, three, angle, angle. Triangle, three sides to a triangle and also three angles in a triangle. Okay, so I thought what we could do just to start off with, what are some other words that start with tri? Spencer, you want to hold that one up? We got triplet. Triplet, three are the same. Thank you, Spencer. Another word that starts with tri is triple. So in baseball, if you hit a triple, that's three bases. And then the last one that starts with tripod. So sometimes a camera will say a tripod has three legs to it. So if you guys can think of any other words that start with tri, write them down here under the like section. Put them down there. If you have any more jokes, put them down there as well. Our next unit, triangles. You guys ready to start learning about triangles? All right, here we go. Alright guys, I hope you can see my board today okay. I had to change locations in my house, but the title of today's lesson is Classifying Triangles. That means sorting triangles out by their side lengths. Okay, so there's three types of triangles that you can determine by the length of their sides. So we're going to go through each one together. The first one, type 1, is called an equilateral triangle. And as the name says, equilateral, equal, what it means is that the triangle, all three sides of the triangle are equal lengths. So we're classifying triangles by how long their sides are in comparison to the other sides. So an equilateral triangle, all sides are the same. All sides, same length. So that's the definition of an equilateral triangle. So if you need to find out if a triangle is equilateral, then all sides would need to be the same length. So for example, they might all be 5 centimeters long. And another thing to remember, we've gone over this before, but sometimes you'll see these little tick marks on a triangle. So if one side has 2 tick marks and the other side has 2 tick marks and the other side, that means all the sides are the same length. Okay, so first one, equilateral triangle. Okay, second type of triangle, type 2, isosceles triangle. So an isosceles triangle, 2 sides of the triangle are the same length, one side is a different length. So for example, 2 sides might be 8 centimeters, the other one might be 5 centimeters. And again, sometimes if you have like 2 tick marks here, that means these 2 sides are the same length. You might have no tick marks there, or you might have one, and that would mean that one's a different length. So an isosceles triangle, 2 sides are the same length. So there's type 2, isosceles triangle. All right, last type of triangle, type 3. It's called a scalene triangle. So in a scalene triangle, all sides are going to be different lengths. So again, you might have one side being 3 centimeters, one side being 7, the other side being 8 centimeters. So scalene triangle, all sides different lengths. Okay, so when you're classifying triangles by their side lengths, if you see a triangle, sometimes you can tell that all the sides are this different lengths, or maybe two are the same, or they're all equal. Or you'd have to use a ruler, measure each side to figure out what type of triangle it is. And you can go back and check the definition for each. So scalene, all sides different. Isosceles, two sides are the same. And an equilateral triangle, all sides are the same length, or all sides are equal lengths. Do you do it?
Yeah.